let's focus on several manipulations you will use on a daily basis. To open the grip, lift it around its pivot. It will lock automatically in 2 position. To fold it back, pull the grip away from the handlebar and down to a nearly 90-degree angle, at which point it will lock automatically. To lower the seat, release the secure lever of the back handle and bring the handle to a 90-degree position. When engaging the tiller with the chassis, make sure the lock under the small red button is parallel to the engagement pivot. Tiller height adjustment is done by using the rod lever located in front of the ATTO. To remove the battery, press the release button and pull the battery out. To reinstall the battery, simply put the battery back in place. Back end first, and it will lock automatically in place. Driving console angle adjustment is done by releasing the lever, adjusting the angle, and tightening the lever in the required angle.